Congratulations on completing this course. You now know the 10 incredibly effective dropshipping strategies I use to gain thousands of customers from around the world every month and hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. So as a quick recap, number 1, choose the best products. Number 2, choose the best suppliers. Number 3, choose the best countries and shipping methods. Number 4, use AliPocket to pay for orders. Number 5, get double cash back on every order. Number 6, properly use images on your online store. Number 7, effectively use pricing and psychology. Number 8, optimize your order and shipping notification emails. Number 9, effectively manage your customers. And finally, number 10, choose the best apps. After that, just put in the hard work and you will get the results. There are so many people who are doing incredibly well with dropshipping, so you can be one of them too. Great things always take time and nothing worth having comes easily, but it's worth the wait. So congratulations again, feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and if you enjoyed this course, I'd really appreciate your review. Cheers!